So my name is John Michael Harris. Most people call me John Harris. I work as a TSR, so that's a technical service rep. The thing I absolutely love about my job the most is the people.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about the team here.
So you all want me to go steal the key? I know how to turn the thing off. The team here at Stevens is incredibly unique. There are guys that have been here, 20 years is not uncommon. There's guys here 10, 15, 20 years. So you develop, again, relationships over that period of time, and you grow both professionally and personally with people. Stevens has continued to adapt and continued to grow and continue to remain at the forefront of the industry just simply because it's people. The people are what make this company. And as long as we keep that going, the possibilities are endless.